In today's video, let me show you how to fix profile lock option not showing up. Profile lock is a feature on Facebook where you can just toggle that option on and your profile of Facebook will be completely locked and other people other than your friends won't be able to see much that is on your Facebook profile. So the way that you find that profile lock option is you just open up profile section on the top left, tap on the three dots right here, and here you'd be able to see an option called lock profile. Now if this option is not showing up for you, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can try out to fix this issue. Now the first thing that you can do in this case is update your Facebook app if you don't have the latest version of Facebook. So open up Play Store or the App Store and search for Facebook. From here you can just tap on update if there are any new updates available. Updating applications helps to add in new features that have been added. Other than this, you can also join the beta version of Facebook by tapping on the Facebook logo right here. And if you scroll down, you can see a section of beta tester. You can just tap on join. Because I've already joined, it says leave right here. Beta version is the latest and the test versions of any kinds of application, which includes all of the new features available. So once you join the beta version, you can just wait out for a couple of hours and try to see if you have the lock option available or not. The other thing that I suggest you to do is if you have multiple accounts added in on your Facebook app, you can remove all of them and only keep one account that does not have the lock option. And once you use that Facebook account for a couple of days, you should be able to see the lock profile option showing up. Now if you tried all of these steps and you still can't fix your issue, that may be because you're not in a location or in a country where profile lock is available or made available by Facebook. Even if you connect to a VPN, the profile lock option would not still show up. So that was the video on how to fix profile lock option not showing up. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more daily videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell.